Beautiful fall day in a walnut orchard. You can see right here, English walnut on black walnut rootstock down there. Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. We got these really beautiful black walnut donations. Some are burl and graft wood. They're about 1/2 inch thick. They're just wicked cut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and see if we can machine them out and get some beautiful coasters out of them. You can see right there, there's a graft. So I wanna go, yeah, probably 4 on that. There's my graft wood right there. And I got my blade or my fence set at 4. I'm gonna try and optimize my 4s out of here. Bring that blade way down. Then here's a big block of scrap walnut as well. This is English. And I think I'm going to use this for the base for holding those things up. I think I'll cut this, same thing. I'll try and go 4 wide. So I'm going to start a little wider than that. Back to the table saw. I'm going to change my dado stack out to 3/8 with that .375. Okay, so what I got set up here is I got a 3/4 inch block clamped to the fence. My fence setting is 1.5. I'm going to cut my first one. I already checked it that it's a nice fit. From there, from 1.5, I'm going to go over a full inch to 2.5 and stay with full inch increments off that stop block. That looks like a pretty good space. Two coats of a satin polyurethane so they'll resist water. Base in the coasters. And then there's that graft wood right there. You can see how pretty that is. That's actually black and English grafted together, so that was a stump cut. So that super crooked wood, all bowed and cupped, turned out to be a beautiful set of coasters, machined really well. I like the way these came out. New to the channel, think about subscribing. All things wood, from tree work to woodwork.